Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best budget waterproof cameras in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, and then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a budget waterproof camera. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Fujifilm FinePix XP130. Fujifilm is one of the biggest names in the world of photography, so it comes as no wonder to see their device on this list. The Fujifilm FinePix waterproof digital camera is waterproof to 65 feet, shockproof to 5.8 feet, and freeze-proof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The FinePix rugged camera is also dust-proof and ideal for outdoor adventures. Some cheap waterproof cameras don't capture all the colors you can see below the surface. That's why it's useful to mention that the FinePix XP130 reproduces colors exactly as they're seen by the human eye. Ricoh WG60. This is the Swiss Army knife of tough cameras, equipped with ring lights around its lens that function as a torch as well as a macro light, allowing you to see what you're doing underwater as well as keep your subjects illuminated. It's got a fair few nifty features that make it worth consideration. This is all housed in a body with serious protection, able to stay submerged in 14 meters of water for up to 2 hours. A newer Ricoh WG70 is just coming out on the market, but currently the WG60 is still the better value. Number 1. GoPro Hero 7. GoPro Hero 7 Black GoPro is one of the ideal options if you're looking for the best waterproof camera for the money. Priced in a relatively affordable range, this one features a hyper-smooth video stabilization that makes your movie smooth and flawless. You get a time-lapse video while you move about a scene. GoPro lets you click the best pictures you can automatically. It has a super photo feature that intelligently applies HDR to your pictures and reduces any noise and local tone mapping to optimize your shots. The Hero 7 model is rugged and waterproof. This means that you can dive into the waters and capture every priceless moment and later see it in even better quality. Now that we've shown you the best budget waterproof cameras out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Lenses. Lenses are the most important part of every camera. They're handy when taking wide-angle or closer macro images. There's no need to use housing if you're using a point-and-shoot camera, so you can use different lenses for different kinds of shots. However, if you're using a DSLR, then you need to buy lenses that are compatible with your camera brand. Zoom. When looking for the perfect camera for your adventures, you first need to find out what kind of zoom it provides. It's a good option to get an optical zoom as it provides you with the details you need compared to digital zoom. This kind of zoom is worth every penny, and beyond that, anything that provides you with more than 15 times zoom is a good option. Price. Regardless of which brand of camera you're planning to buy, you should always budget for more and set a limit too. The waterproof cameras are laden with so many features such as Wi-Fi, GPS, and other features to make it easy for you to share photos and record wherever you take them. If you're a budding photographer and have the fantasy to capture the mysterious world underneath the vast water bodies, you need not worry. There's a whole separate range of cameras for you that all work amazingly underwater. Size. Underwater photography can be gear intensive, which can be a problem for you if you're planning to travel by air. So unless you're planning on chartering a flight, it's highly recommended to choose a pocket-sized camera so you don't have to lug heavy equipment around and you get to access the same features available in bigger models. Wi-Fi. When you take pictures underwater, there's something not everyone can experience and see. You want to show your friends and family the adventures you've been on, so having Wi-Fi present in your camera is an essential feature. This way you don't have to wait to transfer your scuba diving or your snorkeling pictures onto your computer.